So in this video, we're going to talk about expanding and factorising. So to expand a bracket, what you do is you multiply each term inside the brackets by the term outside the brackets. So let's do an example to illustrate this. So if we're asked to expand 4x times brackets 3y plus 2z, what you do, like I said here, you multiply the term outside the brackets by each term inside the brackets. This is equal to 4x times 3y, so we can just do little brackets here, plus 4x times 2z. And we can simplify this further because we know that 4 times 3 is 12. So we can say this equals 12xy plus, well, 4 times 2 is 8, so we're left with 8xz. And that's the brackets expanded. Let's go straight into another example. So same process again. Terms on the outside multiplied by each term on the inside. So we get 5x times x, which is just 5x squared. 5x times y, well, that's just 5xy. Now what we get here is a minus, we've got to be careful with minus signs here, minus 2y times x, so that's just minus 2xy. And again, minus 2y times minus y gives us a plus 2y squared. Because a minus times a minus makes a plus. We can simplify this because here we have 5 lots of xy, and here we have minus 2 lots of xy. So we can again simplify this to 5x squared plus 5 minus 2, so 3xy plus 2y squared. So this was expanding brackets, and now to do the reverse, to factorise. So what you do is you find the highest common factor of the terms and you place it outside the brackets. So in this case, we'll do an example here. We're factorising 3x plus 9xy. Well, we can say that there's definitely an x in both of these. So there's definitely going to be, if we have the brackets here, there's definitely going to be an x outside the brackets because we can pull an x from both terms. But we can also pull 3 from both terms because there's 3 here and 3 times 3 is 9. 3 is a factor of 9. So we can also pull out a 3. We definitely can't pull out a y because there's no y in this term. So now we just do the same thing in reverse. So the first term, we need to get 3x. So 3x times what is 3x? Well, just 1. And now 3x times what gives us 9xy? Well, we need a 3 to give us the 9. And we've already got the x, so we just need to put on a y. Let's do another example. So I'll factorise 2xyz plus 8yz plus yz squared. So same again, we need to find factors of all 3 terms because then we can place them outside the brackets. So if we go through, let's go through in order. X, we got an x here, but no x here or here, so we're not going to take an x out. We have a y here, and a y there. So we've got our brackets. We can definitely take out a y. Now let's have a look at z. We got a z there, we got a z there, and we've got a z here. We've got a z squared, but we can take one of them out. So we can definitely take out a z. What about a number? We got 2 here and an 8 there, so we could take out 2, but there's only one lot of yz squared. The highest common factor in terms of numbers is just 1. So we don't take out anything else. And now, same again, what times yz is equal to 2xyz? Well, the 2, the x, but we've already got the z on the outside, so that's just the 2x, plus 8yz. Well, we've got the yz already, so we just need the 8. And finally, for yz squared, well, we've already got the y, and we've already got one of the z's, so we just need one more z. And if you ever want to check your answer, you can always just expand the brackets again. So for this one, 3x times 1 is just 3x. 3x times 3y, well, that's 9 times xy. And that's exactly what we've got above. Same here. If we want to expand as well to check, 2x times yz is just 2xyz. Plus 8 times yz, which is just 8yz, plus z times yz, which is just y times z, which is yz squared, which is again exactly what we've got above. Thanks for watching.